Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be working on the opposite side wrist grab, and it looks like this. Hi-ya! So make sure you have a partner to work out with, a safe place to train, and you're ready to get started. To do this self-defense technique, there are 5 easy steps, and here they are. So just grabs the arm. Number 1, I'm going to raise my opposite hand in the air. Number 2, I'm going to pull the hand back that he's grabbing, exposing the wrist. Number 3, I'm going to strike the wrist with the hand that's in the air as I pull my arm back. Number 4, I'm going to lift my hand up to cover my face and block. And number 5, I'm going to take the hand that he was grabbing and do a palm strike, hi-ya, to the face. All right, let's do it again. Number 1, I'm going to raise the opposite hand in the air. Number 2, I'm going to take the hand and pull it back, exposing the wrist. Note, it's really important to not hit the arm, but to hit the wrist where he's grabbing. His arm isn't grabbing me, his hand is grabbing me. So I want to hit away exactly what is grabbing me right here, right where his hand is grabbing hold of my arm right here. That's what I want to strike. All right, so number 4, I'm going to lift the hand up to cover, and 5, palm strike, hi-ya. All right, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hi-ya. Okay, this time it's Sensei Conover's turn. I grab the arm. Number 1, he's going to raise the opposite hand in the air. Number 2, pull the hand back, exposing my wrist. Number 3, hit the wrist. Number 4, he's going to cover. Number 5, palm strike. Hi-ya. Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what you'll be learning on the next lesson, which is the same side single hand shirt grab. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number 1, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number 2, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number 3, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that could also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number 4, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap. Cyber Sensei.